Today I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on this Vans new model, the Crosspath XC. They have multiple versions on this model, the one with Gore-Tex, which is I have here on my hand, and the one without Gore-Tex. So the one without Gore-Tex would be more affordable size if you planning to wear these shoes for the rainy, hiking, or all terrain activity, then I would recommend you to spend a little bit extra for the Gore-Tex version, because I think the Gore-Tex version look amazing compared to the regular non-Gore-Tex. I see these shoes is gonna carry with you go to the battle of this upcoming winter, right? The price on these shoes is $180. I think it's worth it, and it's more like a premium size of Vans products. In my opinion, they've done a great job on reimagining new activity besides skateboarding. Even my younger brothers is the footwear designer. He gives Vans a lot of praise on this model. This Gore-Tex version, they have 3 colorways. This one is the Dusty Olive Blue colorways. I think this is the most interesting colorway in this model from the Gore-Tex versions. The other 2 colorways, which is the black and the beige color, and compared it to the non-Gore-Tex version, they have a ton of cool colorways too. Sizing wise, I would recommend you to go for 2 size. I feel very good. It gives me very good fit. Such a great fit for all terrain type of shoes, right? Comfort wise, I would say these shoes give me very good comfort. It feels stable, and the shoes give me full supportive all around my feet from the outsole to the upper. And the upper, they have a lot of cool detail that I like to explore. First, let's talk about the toe protection on this upper. You see they have the suede, thick suede leather, fused with rubber texture to give you that extra support in the toe area. I really love this asymmetrical toe design. And in the lateral side, right, you can see that 2 webbings lace loops at the side and reinforced with the zigzag stitch for tension. Really nice touch on this transparent hip press on top of these lace loops. And at the side, you can see the big Gore-Tex text in the lateral side as well. Man, this upper have a lot of cool detail. Usually, I don't really like a big text on the upper. This one is feel very clean, the Gore-Tex text. I think because of the color blocking on this upper look very nice. Really good with the black lines, color pop on this olive blue dusty colorways, and the iconic jazzy lines in the lateral side and in the middle side. And the eye stay and the heel counter panel, they use suede leather. In the lateral side, you can see they have that tiny Vans branding logo. It's a nice touch of the detail on the eye stay. And from the top down view, you can see this eye stay asymmetrical shape, just like the toe box area, right? Love this design aesthetic, especially on the performance wise. It gives you a better functional, snugger fit. And all these nylon lace loop, they have that extra reinforcement, which is that embroideries, stitches on top of every single lace loops. What's interesting about this model is they use split lace. I never seen Vans model they use split lace before. Perhaps this is the first model that they use split lace on Vans model. I'm not mad about it. I just feel like this split lace is a little bit short compared to the other split lace that I has experience from, like the Solomon's shoe, right? This split lace, they also have that elastic loops for you to tuck in to keep that split lace in place. And in the middle of this tongue, they have that lace loops stabilizer. Man, this shoe construction wise is a lot of functionality, right? The designer designed these shoes. They basically have a lot of performance functional idea into the shoes, which is I love to see this on Vans. Look modern, look innovative. Give props to the designer who designed this shoe. You've done a great job. I really love to see this from Vans in the future. And underneath of that lace loop stabilizer, you can see they have slight padding, and on top of the tongue and in the back of the heel counter, they have that webbing pull for easy on and off. What I like about the webbing pull in the back is transparent. You can see the webbing pull is not just stop on the top, but actually all the way under the toolings. And because this version is waterproof upper, that's why this tongue, they have a gusset is around this area. From the bottom of the tongue go to the mid-foot. And the paddings around the collar is unlike most of the padding that I experienced before, because the foam that they use around the collar, this one feels firmer. A better quality foam that they put underneath, and in the footbed is removable. This insole is a molded footbed, right? And the constructions on this model is actually very good. I don't know how to explain it, but internal constructions, when you put on the shoe, you feel like your heel, your ankle actually sit like next to internal heel counter. There's no space between, right? You can see like it's more like a round shape, right? From this front views. Vans actually doing very good job on the performance of this model. They really serious about this when they design these all-terrain sneakers. And in the midfoot is fully supported from all this webbing from the side and all this transparent protective design lines, right, on this upper. And go to the tooling on this model. Whew. You know, it's the brand name, Vibrams. You can go wrong with Vibrams outsole tooling, right? And the fronts, they have the lateral and medial toe support. And what I like about this is they have that Vans DNA checker patterns. In the backs, they have this molded heel counter. Man, no wonder when I put on the shoes, I feel it's so sturdy. And these outsole toolings, they have a lot of cutout to reducing weight of this shoe just a little bit and give it more flexibility as well. And up next, I'm gonna share with you guys how I would like to style them. So there you have it. What do you think about this amazing engineer shoe model Crosspath XC from Vans? I never thought Vans would doing some nice performance outside of skateboarding sport, right? This model definitely is better than some of the other popular brand hiking shoes out there in the market for sure. It's very stable, durable rubber too, compared to some other popular hiking brands out there in the market. They're not really doing a good job in durability of the tooling. So that's why. But you never know, maybe give it a try before you actually believe in what I say in this video. And if you like one of the look in this video, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more video. I have a lot of video coming up every single week and I can't wait to share with you guys. And what you guys think about my new haircut right now, right? Long hair, now I'm short hair. Just trying to prepare myself look clean and fresh before I'm going to Japan